welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine. I am Divya Sheth has come up with a new video which is revival of struck-off company. So first let us start with the meaning of strike-off. So what is strike-off? Strike-off means removing the name of a company from register of companies maintained by register of companies. So it is more like closure of a company, and after which company cannot perform its operations. If you want to know more about strike off the company in detail, we have a video on strike off the company. You can go and check it out. Now focusing more on revival of struck off company. The meaning of revival of struck off company means to active your already being struck off company by the registrar of companies or voluntarily. Now you must be wondering who can apply to National Company Law Tribunal for revival of struck off company. So they are company itself, the workers of the company, and members and creditors can apply to National Company Law Tribunal for revival of struck off company. Now let us shift to the procedural part for revival of struck off company. So first is make an application to National Company Law Tribunal for the revival of struck off company. 2. Serve a copy of application to concerned authorities, which is ROC and other concerned departments of ROC. 3. The NCLT will start hearings on the basis of application. 4. The NCLT will serve its final verdict on the basis of hearings. 5th. Company has to file the final verdict of NCLT to the Registrar of Companies within 30 days from the date of order. And 6th, the ROC on the basis of order will publish the order in official gazette. Now let us look at mandatory documents which is required for NCLT application. So first is copy of notice of strike-off. 2. Copy of public notice of strike-off. 3. Certificate of incorporation. 4. Memorandum of association. 5. Articles of association. 6. Bank statement of company. 7. Bank letter mentioning freezing of bank account of company. 8. ITR filed with concerned income tax department till date. And 9. ROC filing along with audited financial statement till date. Now there are certain grounds on which NCLT may accept the application or may reject the application for revival of struck-off company. The satisfactory grounds are: 1. If there are any pending litigation going on in the name of a company. 2. The company is having high value on it. And 3. For any other reasons. If the NCLT is not satisfied with the provided reasons for revival of struck-off company, NCLT may reject the application for struck-off company. So that's all from our side as of now. If you still want to know more about revival of struck-off company, you can contact us or you can get in touch with us, and we will definitely assist you for your company revival. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't and click on the bell icon. We are coming up with lot of more informative videos. I, Divya Sheth, signing off for the day.